The Kawu Electric Egg Cooker 6-in-1 model is ideal for everyday breakfasts, handling a small batch of eggs in both the rack and included bowl without taking much counter space. Its advanced temperature sensor and built-in timer deliver very consistent doneness, so soft, medium, and hard-cooked eggs come out reliably without constant watching. Beyond basic boiled eggs, this cooker can handle hot spring-style eggs, simple custards, tea eggs, and even homemade yogurt, giving it much more versatility than typical single-purpose models. The digital touch controls and clear display make it straightforward to choose a setting, and the removable rack and stainless steel bowl are easy to wash by hand or in a dishwasher. Safety is clearly a priority, with automatic shutoff, boil-dry protection, a vented glass lid, and cool touch details that reduce the chance of steam burns on busy mornings. Its compact size and quiet operation make it well-suited for small kitchens, dorms, offices, or campers, and it feels like a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys quick, protein-rich meals.